friends and family. I wanted to share with you another post on what Maria has given me. I know it seems like she must have really cleaned her house out when she gave me so much merchandise. I couldn't believe that she gave me all this at one time, and there's so much here. Well, because I want to start doing some crafts and stuff and DIYs, a lot of these projects worked out perfectly. And these, are they not the most beautiful stickers you have ever seen? Look at the great quality they are. I just love them. I can't wait to use them this year. She gave it to me at the right time of the year, where I won't have to hardly spend anything this Christmas season. And look at all these Christmas trailers. Are they not cute as can be? You know, the trailer thing is the real thing. Everybody loves trailers. And then we have all these little vehicles to go with them, and the Christmas trees, and look at this. Ho, ho, ho. Look at all the detail work on them. Are they not beautiful? Look at that. Merry Christmas and the lights and everything. Oh, just love it. Okay, then over here, we have some more paper crafts. That's what Grandma's going to try to do, a little more paper crafts. It's probably what I'm going to start doing next year. Look at all these cute things. Ice skating rink, the phone booth, the church, the little village. You could do a village just from this one package. Everything is in here. Just love it. Even that beautiful skating rink. Doesn't it look cute? Now, she also gave me some beautiful name tags for when I have to start wrapping my presents this year. Don't they look cute? And they have on the back to and from, and oh my gosh, there's other patterns. I didn't realize there was different ones in here. So you can see there's quite a few different ones. She is saving me so much money this year. And here we have some snowman that we can use on some gifts too. And she gave me all this red and green confetti, and she gave me a whole package, brand new package of this beautiful snow. Isn't that beautiful? Great for a fairy garden. And then we have this also for my fairy garden. Won't that look beautiful? Now this I loved. I was going to even buy some of these, and she gave me one for Halloween, but she also gave me one for Thanksgiving, and it comes with these stencils in it inside too. I've never done any of this, but like I said, I want to start doing some paper crafts and joining in, because I do follow a lot of paper craft creators out there now, and I'd like to start joining in on some of their stuff next year. So that's giving me a good place to start without spending a lot of money to see if I even like it. And look at all this beautiful supplies. I have another cute little trailer for my fairy garden, and some beautiful holiday coasters for my tablescape. Oh my gosh, was this not awesome? Now let's go over here, because this had some great things over here too. She got me a set of Christmas lights. I need to get some batteries. So that is going to be a little expense, but when you consider how much she gave me, that's nothing. She gave me a whole package. There's the package. And this is what's inside. Now this is just a little tiny bit of what was in there. And this could be used for lots of different projects for my DIYs too. I couldn't believe how well they were finished, and they're finished on both sides. That's the best part of all. You can flip them over and they're exactly the same. They're not just one-sided. See? They're all beautiful. Every one of them is like that. And there was a whole bag of them over there. So I have lots of things for projects coming up. Probably for the next couple of years. I doubt I'll even get them all used this year, because she gave me a lot of things. Now this, I love it to pieces. Is this not the cutest thing? I can't believe she even let go of this. To the North Pole, Santa Claus. Look at that. Has a little reindeer on the front of the stamp, December 25th. And Christmas Express Mail, December 25th, stamped. And look at all the stitching. That's been sewed on there. That's not glued, that's sewed. And look at how beautiful all the detail work is. I'm sure she paid a pretty penny for this one. I can't believe she gave it up. It was so beautiful. Now look at the back side. Even the back side is finished. Look at that. Oh, and then it's got like a little button right there and a little thing. I don't know if there's something in there or not, but I'm not going to try to open it because it was so beautiful. I'd feel terrible if I wrecked it for no particular reason. Well, we have almost come to the very end now. So please, if you're not already following me, consider start following, please. Please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment what you thought about this post. I'm so happy that you stopped by to watch this. Don't forget, my channel is designed for cooking, cleaning, miniature gardening, DIY projects, tablescapes, decor, anything else Grandma can come up with, even inspirational talks. Please come back and check us out again. We always have something new on my channel. Hugs and kisses to my very end for my very awesome followers that stayed to the very end. Bye-bye for now.